Aspen Pumps Group is delighted to be celebrating World Refrigeration Day on the 26th of June this year. World Refrigeration Day gives us an opportunity to reflect on the contribution cooling and refrigeration makes on modern society globally. Our shared experience and best practice brings cooling to schools, health centres, critical IT infrastructure, as well as retail and residential spaces. It's a sad fact that today 1.1 billion people don't have access to cooling at all. And our challenge as an industry is to bring cooling to those people. We expect that over the next 10 years, as many air conditioning units will be installed as were between 1902 and 2005. And there'll be 1.6 billion air conditioning units across the globe by 2050. That's a phenomenal statistic, and our industry is playing its part in delivering that. Growth comes with innovation in our book here at Aspen Pumps Group. Industry is invested in smart technology, new system technology for new applications, along with energy efficiency performance enhancement. Here at Aspen Pumps Group, we continue to innovate, as I said, and we want to make the installer's life easier and give an improved customer experience. This year, for example, we've launched the Super Silent Mini Line Silent Plus with new motor and sensor technology. We also invest in our other range of products, whether it be chemicals or tools or roof support management or ancillaries. We never stop here. World Refrigeration Day is a great opportunity to reflect and remember, but our industry is busy all year round too. If you want to find out more about Aspen Pumps, go to www.aspenpumps.com and you can find out more about our range of products. Thank you.